Hi, I'm Patty Smith. Thank you for listening today. I just want to very shortly tell you that I am grateful for my life. I'm grateful to be here. I'm grateful every day. And out of that gratitude comes responsibility. And I feel responsible to tell people why I'm grateful for life. And the reason I'm grateful for life is that I was conceived in rape. My mother, 60 years ago, almost 60 years ago, was raped. And she chose life for me. And I thank her for that. I had the honor to meet her when I was an adult. And I asked her, I didn't know I was conceived in rape at the time. And I asked her about it. And she said, well, I was raped. And I wanted the best for you. And so I gave you up for adoption. I asked her, well, why didn't you have an abortion? I mean, here I was, a rape baby, and what do you do with that? So she said, I loved you when I knew I was pregnant. I loved you, and I wanted to give birth to a healthy baby girl, and you were the light of whatever horrible experience that was. You were the only good thing that happened out of that. So I couldn't destroy that. I had to nurture that. So I honor her when I speak. I honor her when I share with people why I'm pro-life, why I'm 100% pro-life. And what that means is that life begins at conception and ends at natural death. And all that's in between is precious. And all that's in between is life to be celebrated, to be protected, and to be shared. Thank you for hearing me today. I am so grateful for my life, aren't you? If you're not, you need to be. It's such a gift. Thank you again, and God bless.